A revocable trust sounds much more expensive and complex than a will. On the front end, yes, you are correct. A will is the much cheaper and easier route to go. You don't have to do all this administrative headache with it. On the back end, you're very wrong. And this is what most people aren't thinking about when they're setting up their estate plan. They're thinking, I'm going to save money. My family can deal with it on the back end. It's not that big of a deal. We do probate as well. Probate is going to cost you $5,000 to $15,000 on the back end just for the attorney. And so if anyone is arguing about how those assets are being distributed or what you're doing with those assets, that's going to jack up the price of the probate process. You might be thinking, who cares? That's their money. I don't have to deal with it. I'm not going to spend that money. That money is coming out of your estate regardless. And so you're going to have to spend the money whether you're alive or have passed away. So you might as well set up for your family so that they don't have to deal with all the headache, the probate attorneys, spending thousands of dollars in legal fees, dealing with all the headache associated with it. When you set up a revocable trust, yes, it's going to be a little bit more complex. Yes, it's going to be a little bit more expensive, but it's much easier for your family on the back end. And you might also think, who cares about that? But for me, I care about whether it's easier for my wife and my kids to take over the assets. So when they're dealing with the loss that I have given them, they don't have to deal with more nonsense that I'm passing down to them.